Hi, how are you? Today I am going to draw the flag of Chile. Let's start the drawing. As you know, the flag of Chile is of square or rectangular shape. So this is a complete rectangle. I already have drawn previously. So from this rectangle, we are dividing into different segments. Let's outline the first segment here in the middle. This is of red color. So let's draw the line with a sign pen, the red color in the middle. You can see that. Then along this line we're going to draw another segment that is navy blue color. Let's put the color here. All right, in the middle there is going to be a star here. Let's draw the star. This is the usual process for drawing the star. All right, so there's a star here. This is already done. So basic formation for the flag is complete. Now we're going to put the color here. This is going to be the red color, so let's put the red here. It's a uniform color for the whole area. All right, the coloring for the whole area is almost done. All right, let's put the color uniformly to the border. So we can see this block, it's quite uniform, and the rectangle is much taller in its length. This is almost complete. Now we're going to provide the color for the dark blue here. So the star, this is going to be of white color. Around it, the square block, this is going to be the dark blue color. All right, we're filling up the right side of the square block, then going to fill up the left side. Okay, let's make the corner a nice corner, filling up the vacant places. Okay, now we are providing more uniform color around the star which is in the middle. If we can put a more uniform color around the star, then the star is going to be more nicely visible. Let's make a clear differentiation and separate the spaces of the stars from its surroundings. Okay, all right. So this is blue color inside that square block. You can see a white star, and below that one a taller or the longer red rectangle, and the whole thing is inside a bigger rectangle. That's the flag of the Chile. Chile is a country which is in South America. It's on the west side of Brazil and Argentina. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the videos. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get the updates. If you want to learn more videos, more categories, you can browse through our playlist, and you can have lots of drawings in different categories like sceneries, fruits, flowers, vehicles, lots of options there. Thank you so much. Have a good day.